Hey everybody, this is Chintua, your happiness specialist. Here today with another video. This video is going to be really short, but it's going to be on point. I want to share with you the number one reason most people never, and I mean never, make any kind of money with whatever business they get started with. The number one reason, it's not what you think. The number one reason why most people don't make any money in any kind of business that they get involved in, even when they jump from one thing to another, from one shiny object to another, the number one reason is simply this. And it's not because of the system. It's not because of their downline. It's not because of their upline. It's not because of whether the system or the business is easy or not. It's not because it's a one-size-fits-all, because there really isn't anything like that. There's no such thing as one-size-fits-all, all right? And it's not because, they really don't want to make any money. That's not it. The number one reason a majority of people don't make any money in any kind of business, are you ready for it? It's because they never get started. Most people never get started, and there are a couple of some reasons why that is. Sometimes it may be because of the startup cost. Maybe it's $1, maybe it's $10. They look at it as insignificant, so they never really take whatever they started very seriously. Okay, so they don't get started. They don't take that first step. They don't do anything. They don't, even if the system says start here, most people that never make any money, they don't even do that. Okay, so that's the number one reason why most people never generate any kind of income or money with whatever business they get started in. All right, so I wanted to share that with you just in case you've been wondering. Maybe you've been stuck at something for a while and nothing has happened. All right, the reason why most people don't generate any kind of income is because they don't make a move. They don't take that first step. They don't start learning. And it really, like I said, it has nothing to do with skill sets. You can learn skill sets. You can learn a system. You can learn, you can follow examples. But the number one reason is because most people never get started. All right, here's what I want to do. I want you to do. And I want you to click on the link that I'm going to share with this video. Really, it's a system that has helped me get over 20 plus years of frustration. All right, it's really very simple. If you decide to get involved and get started, it'll work for you. Other than that, it won't. All right, so that's my video for you today. Hopefully it made sense. If it did, comment, like, and share. All right, until the next video, this is Chintua, your happiness specialist. Take care. Bye for now.